Okay, so we have the ability when we press the green flag to move left and right and up and down with the arrow keys, and we can also do with A we can have it spin 90 degrees to the left. With S we can have it spin 90 degrees to the right. When we're clicking the space bar, we're shooting from the front of the ship, wherever the nose of the ship is. So we can put it here. There we go. It's shooting in that direction. So now we need to add a component to this, which is the I guess the enemy. So we're going to add to the sprites by clicking in this section down the bottom left, new sprite, and we're going to choose something interesting. So if we take a look here, there's lots of choices, and let's say we're shooting a butterfly here, but you can choose anything you like. If you don't like Cassie the Dancer or Cat One here, or the bat, you can choose those. And I'm going to press OK, and it's a bit big, so I'm going to make sure he's clicked. I've got the eye point here, and I'm going to click on shrink, and then I'm just going to click on him until I get him to smaller. Maybe make him a little bit bigger there. Actually, it's just about right. So if you can do that in your for your butterfly or whatever you're going to create, remember it's a new sprite, and you're going to pick one, and then you're going to make him shrink to about a good size. You can always make him bigger or smaller later, but for now, just get him about this size, and I will see you in the next video.